welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. This is going to be an unboxing of the Neewer brand 50-in-1 Action Cam Accessory Set. And Neewer spelled with two E's, Neewer. And they make several different versions of the Action Cam Accessory Set. This is specifically the 50-in-1, but it's going to have a lot of stuff in common with all of their sets. So just make sure before you purchase that the one you're purchasing has the stuff that you're looking for, because it might be a little bit different than this one. So we're going to open this package up. And right away you're going to see one of the products that you get in this set is the case that it comes in, which serves as a great carrying case for your accessories as well as the Action Cam itself. So it's a nice foam, hard foam case. Got a nice handle on it. Got the zippers, two zippers. So we're going to open that up and start taking a look at everything that comes inside here. You've got your little instruction manual. Tells you what all these accessories are for and how to use them. So if there's something you don't know what it is, or I don't know what it is as I'm unboxing it, you do get the manual that explains it all. So let's just start going through this stuff and see what all you get. Everything is packaged individually in a bag. So this is a head harness. So that goes over your head, and then your camera can attach to that. All of these Action Camera accessories use this similar type of screw system, where it fits down in there, and then you screw that in to tighten it. It's got nice pads on the back there, and a little bit of a rubber coating on the inside to hold it in place. So that's the head accessory. This looks like it's going to be a lot of different things to use to attach your camera to different things. You've got sticky pads here that you could use to attach some of these accessory holders to different things. Some of these I'm not going to know exactly what they are until I read the manual. This looks like something where you would slide, you would maybe use these sticky pads to stick this somewhere, and then one of these accessories you can slide into this. And this is just a bunch of different ones of those. So you could mount these in specific places that you know you're going to be using the Action Cam. It allows you to, you don't have to mount the camera, you just mount this, and then the camera will easily slide in and out. So you get that. Next up, thinking this is maybe going to be the body harness for the Action Cam. Yeah, so this is like a full body harness, so you can wear the Action Cam on your chest, and you can see it has that same sliding mount thing on there. And so you get the body harness, nice belt to go around your back so it stays in place. Looks to me nice quality. I think this is actually, I can't tell if that's metal or plastic. I think it's plastic, but it's a hard plastic. So that's that. Next up, these look like they're just maybe sticky pads of some type. They're each sealed in their own. These are probably, I'm thinking these are alcohol wipes. So when you're mounting some of the sticky stuff, you can use the alcohol wipes to make sure the surface is clean. That's why they're in this airtight sealed thing, because they're moist. There's alcohol in there. That's what those are. This is some type of strap here. This is going to be some type of Velcro strap. I guess you'd probably use that to, so this will slide into some of the other holders of the camera that you'll see, and then you can put this around your wrist or around anything basically. But yeah, this will go loop into there but it'll attach to some of the holders that we'll see in the pack, and then that way they can go around just about anything. This is your this is for swimming, diving. You've got your first screw in, so this camera goes in there, and then you go there, and you tighten this to hold it in place. And this is just like something to hold on to grip it. So when you're swimming, because most action cams are waterproof, you can use them in the water, or they have a waterproof casing, and then you can attach it to this, and this will float. And then you also have something to grip while you're swimming in order to film. And then this is just a wrist strap that you can attach onto different whatever accessory you want to. In here you can attach this on, and you've got a nice little quickly adjustable wrist strap there. This is a nice little bendy tripod. So you've got your tripod mount, standard mount there, and then this is nice and bendable so that you can use it to set, but you can also wrap it around stuff, attach it to things easily. Allows you to attach your camera to a lot of different things. And then this kind of shifts and moves as well, so you can change the angle there. So that's that. This is just a little case for some of this stuff. If you want to put some of it into a little nylon case, you got that. Here you've got a selfie stick. It already has a wrist strap attached to it. And this is an extending out. Let's see. Oh, and the selfie stick has a tripod mount on the bottom, so that's cool. You put that on top of a tripod if you wanted to. And oh yeah, it just pulls out. So pretty pretty long selfie stick, but very small and very lightweight, which is pretty cool. That's pretty simple but very cool. You've got your mount here to mount to the standard tripod mount, and then you also can adjust the angle by loosening that and adjust the angle. So you've got the monopod selfie stick in there. And then in this case, this inside is nice cloth material, and you can see you got that nice pouch to put stuff. And then over here you've got your foam layout for your camera and stuff. Let's take a look at more accessories. Here you've got, so this is another strap. This one has straps on both sides, so I guess you could use that to strap it to something. And again, you've got that familiar slide-in attachment there. This is, okay, so this is a clip mount, so this will allow you to easily just clip that onto something. And then of course the camera mounts on there, so you can attach it that way. So many accessories. This, well, it looks like this is actually like a self-contained wrist strap. You can strap that onto your wrist, or I guess your arm or your leg, or anywhere really. Nice wide band for that. And then you also have the extra band to go through and make sure it's safe and secure. And then this can be twisted to go in any direction. Oh, and it locks. So that little thing, you push it, and now it won't twist, it's locked in place. So you push it this way, and you can spin it, and then you push it that way, and it locks it into the spots that it won't twist. So that's a cool feature, cool accessory. So this is just like an extender. So if you wanted to put your camera on the end of this, or put the camera on this end and put this into the other, whatever, just for example, you could put this in this accessory, and now you have this really long extended. So this is just like an extension that could be used with any of the mounts. Here you've got your several things. You've got a small bar mount So you unscrew these, and then that can go around a small bar, and then you would tighten it to attach it firmly to any type of small bar. And then in here you've got just some general accessories, a couple of additional small extenders, and or to give it more joints to point it in different directions, as well as the standard different screws that you use for those. So you've got those. I'm getting quite a bit of stuff in this 50-in-1 set by Neewer. And here you have a standard suction cup mount, and you've got it's fully adjustable, and you've got here so you can turn it. Again, you've got that slide in for that, so you could attach that to glass, to window or something. And here you've got a lot of your basic accessories. I'm not 100% sure what that is used for. And here you've got a it's a sticky. Oh, now I'm dropping stuff. Got a sticky mount, and that's going to attach to something. But again, some of these things I'm going to have to look in the manual to see exactly what they're used for. And here's some things I dropped. Another screw. This is a mount, but the bottom of this one has the standard tripod mount, so this would allow you to then attach it to anything, attach it to here, and then attach this to anything with a standard tripod screw mount. Here is this is one of the slide-in things, so your camera would attach to this, and you can see how this would slide into any of those things that have the slide, such as this, for example. So you would slide this, I think, into here, and you can see now it locks into place. So any of those things we saw before with the slide in, you use this to slide in and attach it to that. And then the camera goes to here. So that's how that works. That way you don't have to continually unscrew and screw your camera. If you're moving it to different things, once you screw it onto this, you can then just slide it into the slide in. That's what's so good about them. It makes it a lot easier and quicker. And I believe you get several of those. There's another one here. Here's another one of a different kind. It's instead of having the thing that comes up, it's just more flat. But again, it's that same slide-in type of attachment. And another one of those. And another one of those. And some more screws, which is great because you don't have to keep moving one screw. You have a bunch of screws to use for this. And then, of course, you have the case itself. And you can see you've got molded pockets for different things. So you can, put your action camera here, possibly. Some different things here, got pockets for different things to hold them in place, as well as having that large pocket up top. And so anyway, this is all the stuff you get in the Neewer 50-in-1 Action Cam accessory set. Basically, every accessory you could ever need or think of having for your action cam, you've got it all here. Allow you to do everything you want to do with your action cam. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you're interested in this product, I will have a link down in the description below. You can click that link. You can jump over to Amazon, read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to keep up with future videos, or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.